Is Novel Saksana. I will review the film which, in my opinion, is the best film in the year 2022, namely the film Doctor Strange: The Multiverse of Madness. Doctor Strange, Benedict Cumberbatch, tries to find out who is after American Chavez, a girl with the ability to cross the multiverse. To solve this problem, Stephen Strange decides to ask the most powerful wizard he knows, Wanda Maximoff, Elizabeth Olsen, for help. But it turns out that Wanda, aka Scarlet Witch, has her own plan for America to put everything in danger. The emergence of various varieties of the Doctor Strange. The premise of the sequel to Doctor Strange is almost similar to the science fiction comedy film entitled Ever Everything Anywhere All at Once, starring Michelle Yeoh and presenting variously parallel universes. Film of the MCU open with no time to waste straight into the high-speed action sequence, where the power of a Shaquille from another dimension comes out a girl with unique ability. A girl named American Chavez told the semi-impossible string about deaths and dangers to the multiverse, because the concept of the multiverse is something that is still new and foreign to the former Sorcerer Supreme. He also comes to see Wanda asking for help, and this is where everything comes from, which makes things even more complicated. Like the title Multiverse of Madness, this film features characters of Stephen Strange from one reality to another. Actually, the side the multiverse was started trying to be introduced a bit in Spider-Man No Way Home, namely the idea of an alternate universe where everything can feel a little different from ourselves. And most of the Multiverse of Madness is about Strange meeting a different version of himself, a mix of action, horror, and comedy. Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness is filled with stunning visual and an incredible action sequence. The film is also filled with many great battle scenes, which of course are various magical abilities. With each passing scene, the Multiverse of Madness develops more and more conflict and darkness towards chaos. Some of the plot that occurs slightly remind us of the essence of horror film when monsters, sins, and other evil entities lure in the corners of darkness. Sam Raimi and director applies his horror aesthetic with he pioneered in the Evil Dead trilogy. Raimi's MCU film also eject the film with a jump scare feel every give the tension typical of horror film. In addition, he also successfully combines horror and comedy into his narrative. His distinctive shooting style is also quite evident in the film, with extreme close-up, fast-paced shot, and a little camera angle known as Dutch angle. The Dutch angle itself is actually widely used in film horror on trailer nuance to describe an state of psychological tension in character or subject being narrated. The dark side of two characters. Benedict Cumberbatch still looks stunning as a ex-surgeon what is now high skilled in witchcraft with arrogance as the character is still visible here, although compared to his predator Doctor Strange, he becomes a little more humble here. And most notable in his current character is his inability to connect the deep well level. The greatest lover is life Doctor Christine Palmer, who reminds her of his rage even they mean on the other side of the world. Stephen Strange realizes they also read this live and experience a deep sense of Loneliness in the of love in Live to Return, undoing the Empress in the film in performance of Elizabeth Olsen as Wanda Maximoff in the slowly retired to asylum and X-Men. Vermit, after the tragic event that happened to her in WandaVision, also continued to perfectly capture Wanda's crippling grip in slow leading to the dark side. Also continues to add layers of character depth that can tear the fabric of our world apart when his broken self succumbs to darkness, his emotional state in full of anger and and at the same time. And perhaps most deeply in our memory that this story is not the story Stephen Strange, but the extended nightmare that triggered Smallville Wanda Maximoff to understand more deeply. Watching the series WandaVision helps us understand one emotional dynamic in film. The consultation or mean might start to wonder and wonder why we are also fixated on the realm to reality that exists today, maybe and maybe because we are yearn for a way out of this timeline. This is a second case of repetition so that things can get better world to not in the better to open a portal to a world that is like or but slightly different maybe that have something we don't have here. Wassalamu